If you want more recurring commercial cleaning opportunities and you're not sending relevant cold emails, you're leaving so much money on the table. There are so many businesses actively looking for cleaning services, or at least will tell you when their contract will end and will likely take on a bid, but you'll never hear from them unless you reach out, especially with relevant emails that catch their interest and aren't just looking robotic. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how I would do it, show you 3 real examples, and then also share a very important tip to help you speed up the process of manually sending relevant cold emails before you start automating the process. Quick background so you know who we are at Outbound Hero. We help B2B local service businesses like commercial cleaning, janitorial, and facility service companies generate more exclusive quality commercial leads on a regular basis. 3 examples: hurricane cleaning in Metro Detroit area got 77 quality leads in 30 days. In Silicon Valley, California, IGEA Services got just over 90 quality leads sent over in 30 days. And also in Northern Colorado, Terralyn Cleaning Services got just over 50 quality leads sent over in 30 days. All right, let's pop over to my screen. Okay, so pull the list of decision makers in the Seattle, Washington, greater Seattle, Washington area, and I'll be walking you through how I would contact them with relevant cold emails using a template that our company uses for all cleaning clients that we work with, especially even just other B2B local service businesses. This works too. So first off, let's go to compose. Let's start the draft. I'm going to remove my email signature, and I'm just going to do a keyboard shortcut real quick, and I'm going to write cleaning template. I'm going to address this person who's a store manager at Action Bus, might be business. Yeah, business furniture. Danica, you're getting emailed. So, hi, Danica. I'm going to figure out what kind of business this is real quick. Retail furniture, of course, just a locally owned. There we go. 53 square feet. That's good. So I'll take this and put it into GPT to help. Before I do that, actually, I want to type in the rest, just the stuff that I already know. So Tacoma. And then where's their phone? Cool. Perfect. So let's clear formatting there. Before I even get into the personalized question that makes this email relevant, I'm going to just label or put the subject line as either cleaning estimate or cleaning question. This is my go-to. Cool. And then let's create the poke the bear question. I already have this copied. And actually, I'll copy this one as well, their website. Go to GPT. And I'm going to say, write a 14-word poke the bear question to a decision maker or to a store manager at. How can you make this more relevant? Okay, that's really good. So we're going to ask that question, and we're going to put it in the first line. So how do you maintain clear formatting by doing command \. I'm going to Mac. That's a good cold email to send to Danica. So basically, I'll read it. Hi, Danica. How do you maintain showroom cleanliness across 3,500 square feet of new and pre-owned furniture? We clean several buildings in the Tacoma area. Was curious if you'd be open to a complimentary cleaning estimate. We don't have to end with a question. Sometimes you can also just end it with a sentence because that's prompting them to say something. Yes or no. My name, and then if you're looking for new cleaners, let me know if this phone number from their Google Maps or from their website is a good phone number to reach you. And then just your email signature. So that's how I'd reach out to Danica. Let's do another one. So if you do want more leads sent over to grow your business, go to the link in the description below of this video, click on it, schedule a time with us, and we'll talk about how we can grow your business with exclusive quality commercial leads on a regular basis. Back to the video. Let's just take this next one. What's facilities manager, Ricky? You know what? We don't even need to address Ricky. We could just start it without his first name because it's already in the subject line. He'll see that. Now we're going to do this for facilities manager. Take the company name. Let's take the company description. You can also just have it research the website, and that's totally fine too. But I already have the description from the data source I got it from. Now do which one's the best? Trying to touch on what likely needs to be cleaned and kind of be provocative so that they can think differently about what their current solution is, or at least get them interested in what we're about to say. Let's just make it choose for us. What's the best? That's good. Start it with that. And we'll finish it off by filling in the variables. So Tacoma, and then let's find their phone. Where's the phone? Clear formatting. You can also clear formatting by going and hitting this when you're hovering over everything. Okay, cool. Ricky, cleaning question. I think this is solid. How are you ensuring student health and safety through consistent cleanliness in high traffic school areas? We cleaned several buildings in the Tacoma area. Was curious if you'd be open to a complimentary cleaning estimate. Spencer, if you're looking for new cleaners, let me know if this is a good number to reach you, and then end with your signature. This is relevant because it basically gets Ricky thinking about his current cleaning solution. You can also start or just end with as the facilities manager. I think this is a relevant cold email to Ricky at this company or at this organization. Next, we'll go to another one. So let's just do Nate Graves. In gear media production. It's not scrolling down very well. I want to click on what they actually do. Not even sure if they have an actual office. They're on Google Maps. Let's assume they have an office. Oh, there, yeah, a suite. But let's email them just to see. So let's grab this, and also I'm gonna hit Command on my Mac and take his title. Now while it's loading, I'm gonna write cleaning question, or let's do cleaning inquiry. That's fine too. And then I'm gonna write cleaning template, save, remove my actual signature, and then we'll just go from scratch. I'm going to do it the same way I did for the first one. So we'll do the variables first. Where are they based? Gig Harbor. Let's find his phone. Reason why we're asking if this phone number is a good number is because we're trying to get them to give the phone number so we can warm call them. Instead of having a cold call when they're interested, it's going to be a warm call, and you can dial them up before you're even wasting your time typing out a response when they're interested. So you can just get straight to the source, set the walkthrough, and see if they're going to want your services. There's no better way to say it. And then, of course, if they don't answer, leave a voicemail and then reply back over email. Again, if they do respond and show some interest, or at least ask a specific question. So let's go back into the question. GPT was preparing it. Let's just see what they say. So how do you ensure? That's really good. It's getting him thinking differently about his current solution. It's probably doing it in-house if it's a large enough building. Clear formatting. Also show you how to clear formatting like this. So hover over clear formatting when you're copying and pasting. Never copy and paste without clearing formatting, especially if you're using Google or Gmail. I'm not sure about Outlook or anything else, but again, for Google, clear formatting so it doesn't look crazy. Okay, so hi Nate, how do you ensure production studios and client spaces stay spotless while handling daily shoots? We cleaned several buildings in the Gig Harbor area. Was curious if you'd be open to a complimentary cleaning estimate. Let's end with a period here. Spencer, if you're looking for new cleaners, let me know if phone number is a good number to reach you. You can say also reach you at, and then end with your signature so they can call you too. Cleaning inquiry, that would be a great email to email Nate. So now I showed you how to send a relevant cold email, or at least draft ones that will likely do better than just being a generic robotic email that's all about you. This is about them, what likely needs to be cleaned. If you're speaking to a church, it would be about their worship areas. If you're speaking to a laboratory, but it'd be about compliance. If you're speaking to a school, it'd be talking about their high traffic areas and keeping safety and hygiene, things like that. So that's a poke the bear question to get them interested, especially in the first line, because it shows up right here. And actually, this is a great example. Go back to my computer share. This pops up in their inbox, right in the preview line. So it's relevant. That's why cleaning question works. It doesn't matter about your subject line. Just simply ask something and put it in the first line that's relevant to them, and then let the rest of it just carry its way. Where we cleaned several buildings in the Tacoma area. Fix this little typo. Was curious if you'd be open to a complimentary cleaning estimate or a quote. Spencer, if you're reaching out or if you're looking for new cleaners, blah, 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 and that. So that is why I think this works so well, and why we're able to maintain north of a 7% reply rate across the board for all facility service and cleaning companies that we work with that want to get more recurring commercial cleaning contracts. So the last piece of this video, I'm going to show you how to speed up that manual relevant cold email drafting process that I was talking about. And that is with keyboard text replacements. If you're using a Mac, it's called text replacements. I'm not sure about a PC or a Windows computer, but let me show you how to set that up in your settings and do what I was doing. So let me show you what I was talking about for the text replacement first. So I'm gonna go to computer share, compose, remove my signature, and just simply type cleaning template. Hit space, there we go. Now you fill in the variables. Remember to always fill in the variables. Don't let the variables sit there. But I'm gonna go to my settings now. Let's just do keyboard, get right there. And you wanna scroll down to keyboard, of course, if you're not already there, but in settings, go to text replacements. This is the one I was talking about. So it's hard to expand it, but I'll show you how to create a new one. So you type in the phrase. Let's just do cleaning. No, that's probably a bad one. Cold email template. That's good. And then what we'll do is take this. Let's just take it up here so you can see the whole difference. Remove that. Go back to settings, and we'll just paste it. Add. Perfect. So now what you do is cold email template. Hit space, and there you go. Your template's in there. So I wanted to show that quick tip on how to speed up your manual relevant email drafting before you start automating the process. What I would do if you're just starting out with cold email is to send about 100 cold emails first, where it's relevant. You can kind of learn the process and then start learning how to automate it using a tool like Smart Lead, Instantly, or something like it. That way you can send hundreds, if not thousands, of relevant cold emails each and every weekday so that you can generate between 20 to 40, maybe even 60 quality commercial opportunities each and every month of sending relevant cold emails that runs in the background. The truth is, you will get leads if you're sending just mass blast cold email campaigns, but if you're sending them with relevant cold emails, you're going to generate a lot more opportunities, especially if you start automating it once you are comfortable with sending them manually and doing that personalization yourself. If you don't want to be handling this all yourself and just skipping to the step where you can let it run in the background, it only takes about 12 days for us to generate you quality commercial opportunities that are sent to you and you only, so they're exclusive. There's a link in the description below. You can click on it. It's going to be my booking link. Schedule a time with our team and we'll talk about getting you more quality opportunities to help you grow your cleaning business. Again, my name is Spencer. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.